Assalamualaikum and a very good morning. We from Group 10, Section 4, we present about engineering economy BFC44602. Okay, here are the group member Muhammad Izzuan bin Abu Bakar, Muhammad Alif bin Muhammad Zawawi, Muhammad Zafri bin Chaya, Jayu and Sulaiman Abdirashid Abi. Our lecturer name is Dr. Shushlawati binti Ismail.
Hi everyone, my name is Jayu and my metric number is CF2094. I would like to present about the introduction of the project. The study of engineering economy focuses on analyzing and evaluating engineering decisions and projects from an economic perspective to select the most cost-effective solution that align with organizational goals and constraints. Engineers and project managers can use engineering economy to compare alternatives and quantify the financial impact of different options. An analysis of cash flow, net present value, internal rate of return, and payback period is performed to determine if a project is economically viable and financially attractive. To ensure engineering success and sustainability, it provides a framework for aligning engineering objectives with financial goals. In summary, engineering economy is the integration of economic principles and techniques into engineering decision making. The objective of the project is to utilize the benefit cost ratio method to evaluate the economic feasibility of projects. The second objective is to conduct a true analysis of the company performance based on the company financial report. The third objective is to assess the financial capability of the company to determine its ability to proceed with the project. And the last objective is to justify the project viability through a comparison of the economic evaluation and the company performance, ultimately deciding whether the project should proceed or not. Company profile. We select the Malaysia WCT Holding Berhad as our project company and it located at Kelana Jaya, Petaling Jaya, Selangor, Darul Ehsan, Malaysia. The date of established is 14 January 1981 and here's the telephone number, email and also the website related to the company. Company background. The WCT Holdings commenced on 14 January 1981 when WCT Earthworks and building contractor Sendirian Berhad was incorporated as a modest company specializing in earthworks operating with just a single machine. WCT Holding has an impressive track record of successfully delivering larger scale infrastructure projects. In addition to its construction activities, WCT Holdings has ventured into property development. WCT Holdings also engaged in strategic investments to diversify its business portfolio and drive growth. The company placed a strong emphasis on corporate governance and ethical practice. And the last one is WCT Holding Berhad has established itself as a trust and reliable player in the Malaysia business landscape. The vision for the company is we strive to excel in our areas of expertise, leveraging our knowledge and skills to contribute to the improvement of the environment, economy, and society. And the mission for the company is responsible for delivering quality products and service that go beyond customer expectation, dedicated to creating a safe and nurturing workplace that promote diversity, equity, and inclusivity for our workforce, harness the power of technology and innovation to drive greater efficiency and productivity in our operation, uphold strong corporate governance practice and strive to deliver share returns to all stakeholders, inspire innovative ideas and provide sustainable solutions that align with and benefit the natural environment. And the last mission is by contributing to national, social and economic objectives, we aim to enhance livelihoods and drive progress. Importance of study. Studying engineering economy and the benefit cost ratio (BCR) enable professionals to conduct comprehensive product evaluation. This evaluation help in making making informed decisions about project feasibility and enable stakeholders to allocate resource effectively. The VCR serves as a powerful tool to comparing and prioritizing different projects or investment options. The VCR facilitates risk assessment and management. Understanding the VCR promotes effective communication with stakeholders. And the last one is the VCRs encourage sustainability consideration in project evaluation. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh, and everyone. My name is Sulaiman Abdul Rashid Abi, and my model number is BF190015. I am group 10, so I'm going to present in my parties, which is chapter 2, benefit cost ratio. So the project total cost is 264,000. The area of the project is 70,000 meters square, and the annual benefit profit nearly is 21,000. Assuming the interest rate is 5% and 10 years. The operation and maintenance costs are 144 per year, and the market value of construction equipment cost is 20,000 ringgit. As a flow, the benefit cost ratio PCR calculation is here. Conventional profit cost ratio with projected loss. So after using this formula, finally we get minus 0.11, which is smaller than 1. So therefore, the ratio is minus 0.11, which is smaller than 1.0. And the project is not economically acceptable. So also modifying profit cost ratio. So after using the formula, we get minus 3.77, which is smaller than 1.0. So the which is smaller than 1.0, the project is economically is not acceptable. And conventional project cost ratio, also after using the formula, we got 0.11, which is smaller than 1.0. Also, it's not acceptable. It's not economically acceptable. And modifying project cost ratio also same. Or for the final part is which is modifying profit cost ratio with
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. My name is Zafri, and I will present about the financial management. For balance sheet are also referred to as statement of a financial state or a statement of financial affliction in financial accounting. It's a summary of the financial standing of an individual or organization, including sole proprietorships, business partnerships, corporations, privately limited companies, and other entities like the government or non-for-profit organization. For cash flow is a equal quantity of money that comes in and goes out of a business. Revenue from sales in received by businesses and expenditure made to cover costs. Along with the sources of revenue, they may also sell goods on credit, anticipating paid the money owning later, and earn money through investment, royalty, licensing, and deals and interest. Income statements. An income statement is a financial statement that lists the revenue and expenses of the company. It also reveals if a business is profitable or losing money over a specific time frame. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. My name is Zafri bin Chaya. Now we present about the analysis company performance. Okay, as we can see from the slide, there is statement of changes in equity on 1st January 2022. The total equity is 100 7,792 ringgit. And on 31st of December 2022, the equality increased by toward 154,018 ringgit. And from the second page, as we can see, the equity has decreased to 113,081 ringgit. Okay, for this slide, we can see the statement of the cash flow. The note is profit before taxes. This cash flow is during 2021 and 2022. Okay, we can see now for the first page, there is operating cash flow before changes in working capital. For 2021, is 16,035 ringgit, but when become at 2022, it been decreased to 15,367 ringgit. Uh, as at the next page, we can see uh, net cash generated from operating activities on 2021. Uh, it have 23,084 ringgit, and toward 2022, it becomes 30,357. Okay, for net cash used in generated from investing activity on 2021, it has 39,160 ringgit, and toward 2022, it be decreased to 37,041 ringgit. Net cash used in financing activities for 2021, it has 22,216 ringgit, but in 2022, it has been decreased dramatically to 72,769 ringgit. Sorry, 70,798 ringgit. Okay, for cash and cash equivalent at end of the year 2021, 48 ringgit, 48,389 ringgit, and toward 2022, it become 42,986. That's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Isam bin Waka. The problem solving using principal engineering economy is first cost optimization. Principal engineering economy can be used to find ways to reduce costs when faced with cost related issues. Second is cost analysis. Construction project cost analysis is a essential part of engineering economy that to examine the project present cost status, identify any cost overruns or budget deviation, and determine the project financial impact by completing the cost analysis. Third is benefit analysis. It consider the benefit generated by the project to evaluate the achieved benefit against the expected benefit that can assess the project performance and value. Next is risk management. The framework provided by principal engineering economy for addressing uncertainties and reducing potential hazard includes risk assessment and analysis. Last is decision making. So it provides a structured framework for decision making by considering the financial implication of different alternatives and evaluating their cost, benefit, and risk that can make informed decision to address project challenge and optimize project outcomes. So this is the justification the project status. Example of the issue. The problem is activities of company is facing high production costs for a specific product and needs to identify way to optimize cost without compromising quality or customer satisfaction. So the solution, conduct a comprehensive cost analysis for the activities process. It involves identifying all the cost components including raw materials, labor, energy consumption, equipment maintenance, and overhead expense. So by quantifying and understanding the cost associated with each component, the company can identify areas where cost optimization effort should be focused. So the second one is to evaluate potential cost optimization measures. The company can perform a cost benefit analysis. This involves quantifying the cost associated with implementing different solutions and comparing them with the anticipated cost saving or benefit. So by considering the financial implication, the company can prioritize and implement the most cost-effective solution that provide the highest return on investment.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ali bin Ahmad Azwawi. So for this project conclusion, the study of engineering economy provide a systematic approach to analyze and evaluate engineering decision and project from an economic perspective. By balancing cost, benefit, and risk, engineers can optimize resource allocation and maximize value. This involves applying economic principle and technique to assist the profitability and financial viability of projects. Engineering economy also recognizes the time value of money and includes analysis of factors such as cash flow, net present value, internet rate of return, and payback period. Ultimately, engineering economy aims to align engineering objectives with financial goals in order to maximize resource, minimize cost, and maximize value. The objective of this project is to utilize the benefit cost ratio method, analyze the company financial report, assess the company financial capability, and justify the project viability through economic evaluation and comparison with the company performance. That's all. Thank you.